My name is Kiran Chopra. I am from CII. I chair the MSME panel for CII in the state of UP, as I'm also a part of the MSME panels at the regional and national levels for CII. It is indeed a privilege and a pleasure for me to be a part of a forthcoming program put together with CII with Wadhwani Foundation and Finance Crafter Enterprises, as well as M1xchanges. This is a very pertinent and crucial program that all MSMEs should attend, because it is focusing on that very aspect which MSMEs need to do in today's context to remain relevant and to become globally competitive. Yes, the program is called Upgrade and Upscaling MSMEs, and I suggest you should register and become a part of this and take advantage of the deliberations that are going to come out with some unique aspects on how to upgrade and upscale MSMEs. So looking forward to your participation in this program.
मेरा नाम निकिता बोस है। मैं हूँ चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर फाइनेंस क्राफ्टर एंटरप्राइजेस, स्टार्टअप इंडिया में बिजनेस मेंटोर और वाधवानी फाउंडेशन में बिजनेस मेंटोर और इकोसिस्टम पार्टनर के रूप में प्रस्तुत। एमएसएमईज भारत देश का बल है, और जैसा कि मैं हमेशा कहती आई हूँ कि MSMEs are no less than the soldiers of a country who are actually carrying the burden of the economy on their shoulders. So इसी क्षेत्र को और भी सक्षम बनाने के लिए हमने एक छोटा सा संगठन बनाया है, जिसमें कि CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, Finance Crafter Enterprises, Wadhwani Foundation, M1xchange एकत्रित हुए हैं। हम इस CII के द्वारा एक वर्कशॉप करा रहे हैं, जिसमें फाइनेंस क्राफ्ट एंटरप्राइजेस के फाइनेंशियल सॉल्यूशंस, एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज, एक्सेस टू गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, वाधवानी फाउंडेशन की तकनीक जिससे कि एक MSME 2x से 10x की ग्रोथ प्राप्त कर सकता है, M1xchange के बिल डिस्काउंटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स, अनसिक्योर्ड लेंडिंग, इस तरीके की विभिन्न समाधान लेके आ रहे हैं एक साथ, जो कि आज की तारीख में एक MSME की जरूरत है। हम एक छोटा सा सपना देख रहे हैं कि हम 1000 रोल मॉडल SMEs लेकर के आए, जो कि पूरे के पूरे देश में, पूरे के पूरे वर्ल्ड में इनफैक्ट एक बेंचमार्क क्रिएट कर सके, जो कि यूपी को रिप्रेजेंट करें। उत्तर प्रदेश के MSMEs के लिए एक बहुत ही सुनहरा मौका है अपने आप को अपस्केल अपग्रेड करने का, जिससे कि वो नई बुलंदियां प्राप्त कर सकें। आइए हमारे साथ जुड़िए, इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन कंप्लीटली निःशुल्क है। आइए हमारे साथ जुड़ के अपने सपने साकार करिए।
Hi, this is Samir. I'm the leader of Wadhwani Advantage program. I want you to know that we are here to bring to you once in a lifetime opportunity to take advantage of, and that's an opportunity which is going to happen on 28th January 2022 at 11 a.m. CII is organizing an event whereby 3 organizations, Wadhwani Advantage that I lead, which is focused on empowering the small businesses to become large businesses, Finance Crafter Enterprises, which is into finance solutions and investment solutions, and we have M1xchange, which is into structured and unstructured finance smart capital. We want to make sure that your journey to becoming a large corporate is well supported by our unique capabilities that we are going to deliver to you in an integrated manner. This is a part of our overall mission to build 1,000 role model SMEs, which can really become a benchmark for most of the MSME population in India. And that's the purpose that we have. And this event is just the beginning of that. Do not miss this event. If you haven't registered so far, please go ahead and register for this event. And we will see you there to make your journey a reality.
My name is Vishal Kumar, and on behalf of M1xchange, I invite you all to one of its kind event happening on 28th of January at 11 a.m. This event is organized by CII in association with Wadhwani Foundation, FCE and M1xchange. In this event, we will be discussing and finding some of those wonderful solutions not unveiled so far. We will be discussing about various opportunities to manage working capital. We will be discussing how smart capital can be a game changer in your business. We will be discussing how business advisory, right mentoring can be a game changer for you in these crucial times that we all are facing. I request all the business owners, entrepreneurs, trade association members, trade body members, and all the associates of Uttar Pradesh to come and join this event. And why only you? Register your business partners, business colleagues, business friends, your relatives as well. So get yourself registered faster for this event and make sure you are getting all those insights and implementing it in your business. So see you there. Don't miss to register. The details of registration are provided in the description below. See you there.